7 Soothing Home Remedies for Acne. 1. Grape Cleanser. Cut 2 or 3 grapes in half and rub the flesh over your face and neck. 2. Cucumber Face Mask. Make a paste by blending 1 small cucumber and 1 cup of oatmeal. Mix 1 teaspoon, TSP, of this paste with 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse. 3. Cucumber Face Pack. Use this cucumber remedy. This cooling, soothing mask will help smooth your skin, which can feel rough from acne. Mash 1 whole cucumber, strain the water, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix well, apply to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash with cold water. 4. Simple Honey Mask. Before applying this mask, rinse your face with warm water. Then apply the honey and leave it on the skin for 30 minutes. Rinse the honey off with warm water. 5. Yeast and Yogurt Mask for Oily Skin. To make the mask, combine 1 teaspoon of brewer's yeast with a little plain yogurt to create a thin mixture. Apply it thoroughly to all the oily areas and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then use cold water to close the pores. 6. Oatmeal Facial. Mix together 2 teaspoons of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and enough water to form a paste. Smooth the paste all over your face and very gently rub it in. Make sure not to over-exfoliate. Rinse thoroughly afterward. 7. Turmeric Facial Mask. Mix half a cup of chickpea flour and 2 teaspoons each of turmeric powder, sandalwood powder, and ghee, clarified butter, or almond oil, and then combine them with enough water to make a